Alrighty YouTube, for tonight we are going to do a Moto-Master heavy duty high performance super mega big chain, new brake pads, a rear sprocket, very lightweight, extra strong and extra awesome, new front sprocket. My old disc are going on my old set of wheels. I have some parts from RadeGarage, so that is the lever and the clutch lever. A new foot pack because my right side is bent. We're going to apply all these stickers with stuff on the skid plate. Nice foampie for over my foampie. Some spare parts and a nice Rekluse Clutch. But first, that unit needs to get off the bridge. Okay, let's start with removing the skid plate. Give us some space. Okay. Okay. Oops, I'm sorry AXP. I melted the skid plate. Maybe it is time to remove the headers. Next project. After the Romaniacs. Okay, the reason why I need to swap this is, I think you can see it. But here it's a little bit bent. So this one will come with us as a spare. It's still usable but a little bit bent, and the other one spare as well. And we have another set. Thanks to RadeGarage for sponsoring this stuff as spare for the Romaniacs.
Auw!
Rekluse time. Awesomeness. I do not see burnt clutch.
Het is wel heel warm geweest, maar
They still look quite okay. It's not cooked. Alright guys, I hope you can see it. The clutch is still quite okay. I did feel a thing that the clutch came on very late, but maybe that's just a setting. But anyway, we are going to place the Rekluse Clutch with an extra friction plate, I believe. Stronger springs, those, and yeah, it's the best for the Romaniacs. So yeah, why not replacing it and do it all in once, the good way. This is Rekluse secret ingredient from Rekluse. Awesome. Camera crew. Rick joined the party as well.
Yes.
Hoi Rick. Hoi.
Hoi.
The forbidden soup for dogs.
Maar knopveltjes?
Dikke wielen.
Concentrated work. There's 3 of us here. Watching the experts. Mr. Breaker arm.
Yeah. Yes!
We are going to apply KTM stuff in the CFMOTO.
Ah, ja. Ja, en die spiraal is ook iets dikker.
Awesome! Finally my Rekluse. Now I'm as fast as Jarno is. Maybe faster because I have these stiffer springs. Okay, everything is on. Now fixing a clean surface for the gasket. Where are your safety goggles?
In my eyes.
Bling, ling, ling. What do you mean it's cooked?
Ketting ernaast hing.
New front sprocket, powered by Jarno. This is Jarno. My new KKE wheels. And these nice Moto-Master disc. Shiny. Really awesome. You can you torque to spec? Torque to Jarno. 45 Jarno meters. This is the mechanic check before going to Romaniacs. Nice new small rear. Okay, YouTube, Instagram, people of the socials. So far we have done the Rekluse Clutch, new oil and a filter, and a new foot pack. And the rear wheel is in. Nice smaller size. And now we are installing a chain and this looks mega awesome. Look at this. This chain is a little bit more thicker than original.
Ja, hij zit er nu wel op.
Heavy duty chain to survive the Romaniacs. Awesome. I mean, noise. Please have a look at Jarno, his bike. He installed nice yellow. It is yellow, but on camera it's gold. With this extreme, nice, awesome, thick front suspension. Suspension from another bike. He installed suspension from a 701 Enduro Husky. And it's sick. It's not plug and play, you need to do some magic. So if you want this, you need to come in contact with Jarno. He will probably sell this as a kit in the future. And it's so high now that I don't fit on this bike anymore. Okay, here's see how high it is. Yeah, that's quite sick. I'm 172 very small centimeters, and it's now a bike for Rick. And Rick is almost what was it? 91. So it's a giant bike now. Here you see the difference. This CFMOTO is not for small people anymore. Sore muscles. Dutch giant bike. Awesome. So Jarno needs to hurry because we are leaving for the Romaniacs in 2.5 weeks. This is the status of the bike. But Jarno is so nice for first fixing my bike before fixing his own. Okay, now we continue with the front wheel. And I don't look for a second, and it's off already. Okay, and another thing to do is RadeGarage levers. I have the stock original there and a copy over there, and I want to have 2 short levers. And do you want a cookie? Alright, Romaniacs ready. 0.9 bar in the tires. Squeaky. Okay YouTube, what we did, everything awesome. Nus. The only thing left is that we need to do something. Fix that on there. This new shiny stuff, the new gold chain. Okay, finish the video here. Thank you for watching, see you in the next one. Where we are going to rebuild the bus with nice stuff. We ordered nice stuff from Ace Bikes and that will be awesome.